Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix the Cox Modem blinking green. And it's really easy and simple, guys. So if your Cox Modem is blinking green, it typically basically indicates a connectivity issue. And here's how you can troubleshoot and fix it, right? So first things first, what you need to do is you need to check all the cable connections for security and proper fit. So you want to ensure that the coaxial cable, the Ethernet cable, and the power cord are securely connected to your modem and wall outlets, right? And then what you're going to do, guys, you're going to go ahead and restart your modem. So unplug the modem from the power source, and then you want to wait for about 30 seconds and plug it back in. And then you just want to allow the modem a few minutes to basically reboot and establish a secure connection. And then you just need to inspect it for service outages. So you want to check if there are any ongoing Cox service outages in your area. And you can do this by visiting the Cox outage page. Just search that up on Google, or you can use their mobile app. Just enter your location and you'll be see if there is an outage in the area or if the connection is actually up and running, right? And then if restarting doesn't work, what you need to do is you need to reset the modem, right? Reset your modem. This is how you do it, guys. So you locate the reset button on the back of the modem, and then you're going to press and hold it for about 10 seconds, using a pin or paper clip. Ideally, do it at least 30 seconds and then release the button, and then the modem will basically start resetting to factory settings. And then what you can also do is you can inspect the coaxial cable. So you want to look for damage or loose connections in the coaxial cable, and if you can and if needed, just go ahead and replace it. And then if the blinking green light still persists, guys, this could indicate a hardware issue or a problem on Cox's end. You just want to contact Cox, customer support for further assistance or to schedule a technician visit. Really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.